Okay, so this video is a continued part of the last video in which we did a practice question of expanding brackets. In this video we're going to expand brackets too, but in a different type of question, which is this kind of question. So this is question number 2. So in this kind of question, when we have two brackets and we have to solve them, we have to expand and simplify them. Then what we have to do is we have to multiply this first term with the second whole bracket, and then this second term with the second full bracket. Okay, so make sure we multiply the signs too. Okay, so let's just write in that way first. Now we have x, this first term, being multiplied with the second whole bracket, which is x minus 2. And then this plus 7 being multiplied by the second whole bracket, which is x minus 2. And now we can simply just solve the way we did in the last question. This way, just multiplying this outer term with the numbers or the terms inside of that. So x times x equals x squared. And we have a plus sign outside, so the signs that are present inside the bracket will stay the same, so minus and 2x here, plus 7x, and plus minus minus, 7 2s are 14. Now, remember that x squared, and this x has a power of 1, and this x also has a power of 1. These x with a power of 1 can be added, subtracted, or, you can perform any operations with them. But this x squared is a different thing. We can't just solve it with these ones. So solving this part now. I'm solving this part. And then we have the plus minus, so the rule of, the sign of the greater one comes here, so plus. And we have different signs. One has a positive sign and one has a negative sign. Always remember that the sign always comes before the term. So 2x has a sign of negative and 7x has a sign of positive. So I was telling you that when we have different signs, we subtract. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 5x minus 2. And then this cannot be solved any further. So this is our answer because all of these are unlike terms. And remember that we cannot perform any operation with unlike terms. And then we have a very similar question to the one we just did. Question number 3. We have to multiply this first m with this one and this minus 8 with this whole bracket. So let's just write in this way, m and then the second bracket and then minus 8 and then the second bracket. Okay, so again the same thing, m times m, I'm just multiplying this with this, will give us m squared. In fact, let's change the color. So m squared this will give us m squared, and this also has a plus sign, this also has a plus sign, so a plus sign here, plus 5m. We have a minus sign here, so the signs that are inside will change. So minus plus, this is plus m right now, it will be minus 8m. And plus minus minus, and 5 8s are 40. So again, we can just solve the inner part, this part now, and this part. Yeah. So we can write m squared and plus minus the sign of the greater number, which is 8, so minus. And we have different signs, so we can simply subtract, and 8 minus 5 gives us 3m and minus 4. So this is our answer, because this cannot be simplified further because these are unlike terms. I hope this, how to solve these kind of questions, this is quite clear. And let's meet in the next video.